Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great, are doing fine. And today I'm gonna give you a makeup tutorial. And if you wanna know how I create this look, well, just keep on watching. Hi everyone, first of all, I'm using the Banana Boat Sunscreen for my primer. I use it all over my face and my neck. Behind me, that is Panky. Next, I'm using Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and I'm using it just all over my face. And yeah, that is snappy, I guess. Or still spanky, probably. Next, for foundation, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I use 2 pumps for my face. And I'm applying by my finger first. But after that, I'm gonna blend it with makeup brush. Oh yeah, and 1 pump for my neck. I'm blending it. Next, for concealer, as usual, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm blending it with the same brush that I use for foundation. And next, for brow, just like usually, I use Focallure Auto Brows Pen. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette. Next, for eyeliner, I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and it is the Trooper Black. I'm gonna bake my makeup using the Johnson's Baby Powder as usual, and for mascara, just like usual, I use the Maybelline Magnum Big Shot, and for the bronzer, I'm using it from the same palette, just like my shadow. After that, I dust away my baking. And for the blush, from In the Palm of Your Hand Volume 1. For the lipstick, I'm using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Crucifix. And yeah, the makeup is done. What do you think? Huh? That is my soft dark makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and if you like this video, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to say something, you want to share your opinion, just comment on the comment box down below. Share this video, it's even better. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!